Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a California driver's license step by step. If you are new to California or moving here soon, this helps you know what to expect at the DMV and what you need to bring. So first, choose the license that you need. The most common is the Class C for a regular car or truck. There are also motorcycles, commercial, and some special license types. Next, go to your local DMV and fill out the driver's license or ID application, also called Form DL-44. You can get it at the DMV or online. Bring proof of identity, your social security number, and proof of California residency. Then you'll pay the fee and take the written exam or written test. The fee is $45. The written test has 36 questions and you need at least 30 correct to pass. Study the California Driver Handbook and take the practice test online. After you pass, you will get a permit. So this lets you practice driving with a licensed driver who is at least 18 years old. If you're under 18, you must hold the permit for 6 months and complete 50 hours of supervised driving, including 10 hours at night. And when you are ready, schedule your road test. Bring your permit, proof of insurance, and a registered vehicle. The test checks safe driving and basic skills like turning, parking, backing up, and changing lanes. If you pass, you will get a temporary license for 90 days, and your permanent one will arrive by mail with 60 days. You can also choose a real ID, which works for domestic flights and federal facilities, but it needs extra documents and costs an extra $10. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next one.